Hello students, welcome to Rezo class. Myself Dr. Gunjan Badlani and I am your biology educator. In this session we will discuss about the respiratory system, or you can say the tract of respiration. So this is the whole respiratory system given here. We will discuss one by one each. So the first thing is your external nostrils. From external nostrils, the inspired air goes in the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity bears some kind of hairs and the mucus secreting glands, mucus secreting cells. These mucus secreting cells and the hairs have the function to trap the dust particle and the moisture in the air. Then from the respiratory, from the nasal cavity, the inspired air goes to the next part, which is your larynx. Larynx is also known as voice box. It generates the voice in the through this the voice is getting generated. Larynx is very prominent in voice, which is also known as Adam's apple if you have read somewhere. Then from larynx the inspired air directly comes in trachea. Trachea is having C-shaped cartilaginous rings. C-shaped cartilaginous rings, which is incomplete. Why it is incomplete? So that it protects the trachea to get collapsed if the air is less. So if air is less in this passage, then also it will prevent it from collapsing. That's why it is having this C-shaped rings, the incomplete rings, which help them to prevent from collapse. Now from trachea, it again divides into two parts, which is known as bronchi, the left bronchi and the right bronchi. The bronchi then enters in the lungs. In lungs there are many alveolar sacs, which are basically the functional unit for exchange of gases. These are the alveoli which help in the exchange of gases. The whole function is happening here only. After lungs, there is diaphragm, or you can say the muscles which separate the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. In the thoracic cavity only the respiratory system is present. Then from thoracic cavity, the diaphragm is just separating it from the abdominal cavity. So here you can see what we have read: the nasal cavity, larynx, trachea and lungs. Larynx is also known as the voice box. Trachea is having the C-shaped cartilaginous rings, and the nasal cavity, it bears the hairs and the mucus secreting cells, which help them to trap the dust particles which is present in the inspired air. And in lungs there are alveoli present, many alveoli are present, which are helping them to do the exchange of gases. Here only the exchange of gases will happen. And that's all for today. Thank you very much.